student, Assalamu alaikum and Namaste. This is Chetan Das Bhil and I am here English linguistic teacher at Dr. G.M. Pahar Institute. So you are most and heartily welcome at Dr. G.M. Pahar Institute. Okay, so being an English linguistic teacher, today I am going to teach you what is English language and what is the importance of English language, why we should learn English language and what is the best way to learn English language. Okay, so first of all you should know what is English. Okay, so English is a language which is spoken in all over the world. English is a language which is spoken in all over the world. English is like Sindhi language, but Sindhi is spoken only and only Sindh province. English is like our national language Urdu, but Urdu is spoken only and only Pakistan and as well as the neighbor countries of Pakistan. Okay, India's, China's, there are so many people who also speak Urdu, but Urdu is national language of Pakistan. I am not saying that we should not focus on Sindhi language. We are proud being a Sindhi because Sindhi language is our identification. Sindhi is our mother tongue. That's why we should learn more and more about Sindhi language. But there is a question: if you want to develop your Sindh province, then you have to know. Then you have to learn English language because English language is an international language. Yes, international language. And English is more and more important because your completely syllabus except language is written in English language. Your physics is written in this language. Your chemistry is written in this language. Your biology subject is also written in this language. That's why you have to learn more and more about English language. It is importance of English. Okay, and English is our official language. English is used in banking. English is used at Google. As you know, Google is a very amazing app. Whatever you want to search, you can search on Google, and Google understand only and only English language. Okay, so that's why English has more and more importance. So now question is that, sir, how we can improve our English language? So according to my experience, according to my way, there are two ways by which we can improve our English language. One is educational way, second is natural way. You can say first is natural way and second is educational way. Simply we can say that natural way, environment, and educational way, grammar. So there is nothing any English speaking environment. That's why the student of 5th to 10th today you cannot speak English because you have not English speaking environment. But there we will create an English speaking environment. You have to help me. You have to try to speak English, wrong or right, it doesn't matter. But always try to speak English because try is the key of success. It is famous for. Okay? And now, how you can learn English language? So I told you that there are two ways by which you can improve your English language. One is environment and second is grammar. So unless we have not English speaking environment, that's why today you are unable to speak English. But from today I will create here English speaking environment, and according to this activity you and me, you with me can improve your English language. Okay, and second is grammar. So grammar is also a way by which you can improve English. Grammar tells rules and regulations of any language of the world. Grammar tells the rules or the regulations that how speak any language or how write any language. Okay? And if you want to develop your English, then you have to read more and more English stories, English books, English novels, and you have to try to listen. Okay? First thing is you have to listen English more and more, because listening is 50% education. It is also a famous quote that whatever you listen, you store that. As you know, basically we are Sindhi, and today if I will say to speak Sindhi, then everybody will speak Sindhi with fully confidently. Why? Because we listen Sindhi from our birthday. So from that day to day, still today we are Sindhi, we are listening Sindhi with our parents, with our students, with your neighbors, friends, etc. That's why today we can speak Sindhi fully confidently, fully, okay? And from today we have to create a English speaking environment, and you have to listen more and more English stories, English videos, English YouTube on YouTube channel. You should listen more and more English, the usage of English language. So our video, if you are new, so please subscribe my YouTube channel icon, as my coming video can reach fast and first. Bye. Okay, so thanks for watching video.